Hi, this is John from Clock Repairs Merseyside. This is just a follow-on video really of the French Slate clock that I put a video up of before. It's now been in the ultrasonic cleaner, it's now out the ultrasonic cleaner. Needs a bit of final polishing, but really it turned out quite well. But that was to be expected, to be honest with you. You've got a pretty good idea from when you look at them of what they're going to turn out like. Yeah, there doesn't seem to be any problems. All the pivots bushing, everything's okay on it. As I say, it needs that final reassembly and lubrication, and beyond testing it should be good to go. As you can see, there are a lot of components to a clock. This is a striking clock, so obviously there's twice as many components as there is to just an ordinary standard timepiece. Obviously, looking at it, it is in good shape. It is in good shape. I just zoom in, you'll see it's pretty decent. If we pan over a little bit and you look at the dial unfortunately has suffered a lot of crazing, and also it looks like someone has tried to put glue on it or something. We're not sure of that. He doesn't really want anything doing to the dial, although we did say we could try and get something, but really we've got nothing in stock, and he doesn't really want to pay for the, go to the situation of us trying to get hold of one. We can hardly get hold of anything at the moment due to the COVID situation anyway, even down to some of our raw materials, what we need to actually make some parts. It just seems to be becoming more and more difficult for me to get anything really. So I'm just sort of plodding along with what stuff I've got, and doing the very best we can. I'm sure that's going to hopefully change within the next couple of months, and things will maybe get back to a relative normality situation. Fingers crossed. Let's hope Boris doesn't do something else, but there you go, we don't know, do we? Yeah, I mean, it's turned out, as I say, pretty well. I'm looking forward to putting it back together, and I'm looking forward to at some point soon getting it collected. What I normally do when I do a lot of work to these, I always keep these videos. I always take photographs of every single clock we work on, in order that, if the customer wants to see what we've been doing, that's one thing. Sometimes they're just nice to put on Google, or on any of our other advertising platforms. And sometimes from time to time we can do things like with this video. The guy who this clock belongs to, he's a pretty good friend of mine as well. I'm gonna actually send the video to him. I have another clock in of his which it's been worked on, it's been done, it's been serviced, been finished. It's a lovely little boudoir carriage type clock dated from around about 1820. I'll do a short video on that in a minute, and we'll put the two videos up on Facebook and various other things. So hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a like. Thanks.